this question we are told that f of x is a non-constant linear function such that f of 1, that is 4 times f of 1, is equal to f of 1. We are asked to find out the value of f of 3 plus 2 times f of 0 if it is given that the angle between the function and the x-axis is not 45 degrees. We are told that f of x is a non-constant linear function. So let us assume that f of x is equal to ax plus b for some value of a and b. We are told that the angle that it makes with the x-axis is not equal to 45 degrees. So the value of a is not equal to 1 or minus 1. Because if you are looking at any line which looks something like this, and if you are told that the line makes an angle of 45 degrees with the x-axis, it can be either like this or it can be like this. In the first case, the slope of the line is equal to 1, and in the second case, the slope of the line is equal to minus 1. A is basically the slope of the line, so the slope cannot be equal to 1 or minus 1. Now, let us calculate the value of f of 1. If you assume that f of x is equal to ax plus b, the value of f of 1 is equal to a plus b. So what is the value of f of 1? f of 1 is equal to a into, we'll substitute a plus b as the value of x, a plus b, which is equal to a square plus ab plus b. Similarly, the value of f of 1, where you substitute the value of x to be equal to a square plus ab plus b in the equation for f of x, will equal a into a square plus ab plus b plus b. So this is going to equal a cube plus a square b plus ab plus b. In the same way, the value of f of 1 is going to equal a to the power 4 plus a cube b plus a square b plus ab plus b. We are told that this is equal to this. That is f of 1 is equal to f of 1. So now if you equate both of these values, we can cancel b and we can cancel ab. So essentially what this boils down to is that a to the power 4 plus a cube b plus a square b is equal to a square. We are also told that f of x is not a constant function, it is a non-constant function. This would imply that the value of a is also not equal to 0. Because if a is equal to 0, the value of f of x for all values of x will become equal to b, which is a constant. So a cannot be equal to 0. So in this equation, let us divide the entire equation by a square, as a is not equal to 0. So the equation boils down to a square plus ab plus b minus 1 is equal to 0. This can be factorized. How are you going to factorize it? If you take a square minus 1 together and ab plus b together, a square minus 1 can be simplified to a minus 1 into a plus 1, and ab plus b can be simplified to plus b times a plus 1 is equal to 0. Or you can take a plus 1 common and a plus 1 into a minus 1 plus b is equal to 0. So either a plus 1 is equal to 0 and the value of a is equal to minus 1, or a plus b minus 1 is equal to 0, and this would imply that a plus b is equal to 1. But we know that a cannot equal minus 1. So the first case is not correct. So we can conclude that a plus b is equal to 1. So what are we required to find out? We are required to find out the value of f of 3 plus 2 times f of 0. f of 3 is equal to, if you substitute the value of x to be equal to 3a plus b, and f of 0 is equal to b. So 2 times f of 0 is equal to 2b. If you are adding both of this, the value of f of 3 plus 2 times f of 0 is equal to 3a plus 3b, or this is equal to 3 times a plus b. We know that a plus b is equal to 1, so 3 times a plus b will equal 3.